Welcome to another fix. This is a Lasko fan. You can see the condition in it that it has, spinning freely, and we are going to plug it in right there and test it and show you that it's not working. Alright, turn the knob, nothing. Alright, so we're going to check the thermal fuse, if the thermal fuse blown. And how you do that, this leg right here, which is this leg off here, and then the neutral side of the plug. That's how you test the thermal fuse in a fan. Alright, so that leg to this leg right here. Alright, so I'm going to show you. So as I said, one leg here on the neutral side of the plug, and the other leg right here, nothing. I will touch a meter like this, getting a reading. So that's telling me that the thermal fuse is blown. So I'm going to check the coil to ensure the coil is okay. And once I get that okay, then I proceed and changing the thermal fuse. Alright, so in order to check the coil, you have to remove these two screws. So I'm going to remove these two screws and check the coil individually. Alright, so one screw, next screw here, alright. Now I'm going to remove them out of the switch by using a old blown thermal fuse and push it inside here and release the thing out of it. Alright, so I'm going to show you an example. Sorry for that loud noise, that was an helicopter just passed. So I just push it down, alright, and take it out just like that. Same thing for the rest of them. Alright, meter is there. So now we're going to check the coil individually, getting a reading, that's okay, getting a reading there, getting a reading there. So the coil is good, so the thermal fuse is blown. Alright, we can check the switch as well. Hold on, I put the meter in the wrong lead. Alright, that is okay, third speed. Alright, so the switch is working. I make a mistake and put one of the lead right here and check in there, so that's why I wasn't getting anything. Alright, so the switch is good. So the thing is that the thermal fuse is blown, and I have thermal fuse for that fan, which is this right here. As you can see, 2 amp 250 volt 130C. Alright, so that will be going this fan. Alright, so in order to go in this fan, I have to remove 4 screws, one right there, one there, one down here. I have to put this into a flathead because it's not turning. So once I remove that, I will show you. Alright, so the coil is clean. So now I'm going to remove these tie strap and expose the thermal fuse. Alright, right here is the thermal fuse. So I'm going to expose it. Alright, beat mode, one lead here, one lead there. Thermal fuse is blown. As you can see, I'm going to clip one end to expose that fuse. Alright, So this is the thermal fuse, 2 amp 250 volt 115C. Alright, so we're going to replace it with this fuse, 2 amp 250 volt 130C. Check it. So it will be soldered and let you see it. Alright, so this is how it look now. New fuse compared to the defective one. Alright, neat at work. Have my hand on the neutral leg, and right here on the cap you can see it's working. So alright, so I'm going to fit up the fan and let you see. Alright, see it there, job done.